they have put a notice on the door that they will come for the next 3 days. Even after that, if there is nobody who's coming to the residence, then what happens to those forms?
Then it is a time period for filing claims and objections. At that time, they can file their claims.
And if they have filed an objection or a claim, then what happens? Respect that. But what happens if they do not? Does it get deleted?
No, they will be given notices.
Okay.
Irrespective, everyone will be getting notices.
Okay.
In case they won't do it.
At the place of
After 7th of this month, the draft is
BLA should not take a choice where the person should have the voting. So in general, all the BLAs can be informed. See, the BLA's role is only to give the form and collect the form. The BLO's form. He only has to give the form and collect the form. And there are some people who have shifted. Those people, once they come to know this, there's advertisement, everybody knows this system is going. Somebody who has shifted tries to may contact any of the BLAs or may contact the BLO directly. So you are only kindly inform the BLOs that if any BLA says there is somebody who is shifted. Now even like what Lyndon was saying, suppose somebody is married. And the person is married and suppose if it is a lady and the spouse is not even having a proper residential place, staying in a rented place. Today nobody is giving a rented agreement that voting card of that man, his wife's voting card cannot be shifted. So she chooses to leave it at a parental address. Now the BLO cannot take a decision on that this girl is married and so she has to be shifted over there. She is maintaining, it is not a bogus vote.
No, but they have, our BLOs have, I don't think they have insisted that you have compulsorily shift your voting.
No, sometimes the forms are not delivered. There are instances, so different BLOs are working with different parameters. BLO should not remain in a judgment of who should get the form and no. If somebody has shifted, somebody can after put a cross complaint.
सरांची मीटिंग आशिल्ली ती रिगार्डिंग
आयज आमी फातोर्डाचे BLA 1 and 2 म्हणजे आनी पॉलिटिकल पार्ट्यांची मिटींग आपयल्ली जे SIR चालू आसा त्या संदर्भान कितें जर तांचे डावट आसा कितें जर स्पेसिफीक इश्यूज आसा ते रिजॉल्व करपाचे नदरेन आयज ही मिटींग आपयल्ली आनी सगळ्यांनी BLAs तांच्यांनी बरे कितें डिफिकल्टीज आसा ते रेज केले आनी आमी ते सुटावे करपाचे प्रयत्न केले
BLA थोडे आसात BLO आहा पळय ताका तुमी असिस्टंट दिल्यात तर असिस्टंट थोडे कामार आसत ना तेंचे बरोबर हेचेर कोण लक्ष दिता तुमी
थोड्या पार्टांनी अजून पर्यंत BLA असिस्टंट रिपोर्ट जाल्ली ना
ओके आनी थोडे जे आमी एग्जाम्पल दिता RTOतले थोडे कामगार आसात थोडेच ते पयलीं स्टाफ आशिल्लो तितलो 80% 90% स्टाफ तुमी काडला पूण
दोन लोकांक इनकन्विनियन्स फेस
सो ते तुमी कितले स्टाफ आसा आनी कितले काडपाचे हेचेर अशें विचार
प्रत्येक इयरून ऑर्डर काडले इश्यूज केल्ले आसा सो अश्यो जर कितें आसा डिपार्टमेंटान जर आमकां इन्फॉर्म केला जाल्यार वी ट्राय टू रिजॉल्व इट
लोकांक इनकन्विनियन्स फेस करचे पडटा स्पेशली फातोर्डा RTO PTC कडेन आसा थंय जर गेले जाल्यार ते म्हणटा स्टाफ अवेलेबल ना SIRाक घातले
SIR चालू असले कारणान स्टाफ हो लागताच आतां थोडे हेजे खातीर इनकन्विनियन्स जाल्ले आसपाक शकता जर आमकां डिपार्टमेंटान इन्फॉर्म केला जाल्यार आमी रिजॉल्व करतले अशें कितें आसा
हय आज आमी येयल्ले मेळपाक BLA 2 मिटींग आसली आज आनी सगळे कलेक्टर बी एटेंड केल्ले तेमी इन्फॉर्मेशन दिला ओनली रिगार्डींग फातोर्डा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी ते म्हणटा आतां इट्स क्वायट सरप्रायझींग आं टोटल वोटर्स आसा 31,040 ऑफ वीच नाव दे हॅव ऑलरेडी रिसीव्ड 21,924 रिसीव आनी डिजिटलायज अपलोडूय केले म्हणटा नाव दीस इज क्वायट अ फिशी नंबर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आनी तितूंतले 8661 मॅप्ड केले 6180 मॅप्ड एज प्रोजेक्ट 534 आर क्लासिफाईड एज डेथ But the good information is for the BLA 2s, they can personally go and collect the forms from their particular parts. So they are going to worry. So at least you know that your forms will be given to the right person and they will be uploaded. So please requesting everybody to reach out to the BLA 2s or even BLA 1. And my kitu muntai that there will be a time given if your name is not on the, if you have not received the enumeration forms, this is not the end. Was atlo draft roll and then the claims and objections will be filed. So दिवपाची गरज ना म्हणपाची but it's a long procedure, no? It's very stressful and case by case they will take the uncollectible forms such as matter asa, no? They will take it case by case. and you can also fill the enumeration forms online. So please, कोणा मातशे त्रास पडटा, they can please go ahead and fill the online forms, and the BLA ones will be the responsible people to meet the ERO and ARO.
तेणी सांगला की सगळ्याक इन्फॉर्मेशन सारकी पावल्या सर तुमकां दिसता लोकांक पब्लीक अवेअर जाल्या अवेअरनेस
See,
जाला
kids are there is a problem where people are not staying in their houses. So communication, there is a gap. I एक specific question चाललें because they मरे notice manager say that we have come and we have tried to reach you 3 times. My simple question was, after the 3 times, then what happens? Will those names get deleted? That is my question. They are saying no, they can file claims. I mean, if you all are going to file claims and objections, you all will be sending this to the same residents. Now, then they are saying no, the BLO and the BLA should work in coordination and find out. You all should have some data, fixed data, mobile number, konalo. You all have all the details, Aadhaar card, voters. There will be a number. No, try reaching out to those people. That is the solution. They are saying it is a local support. Everybody should work together. So that's it. Any other questions, Baba?
नाना हो गई
Lincoln Gomes from Congress.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.